Question number 9. Triangles EFG and JKL are congruent. Okay. Where E, F, and G correspond to J, K, and L respectively. Okay. So that when there is a word respectively here, that means we have to mind the sequence. First from here, E should be compared to first to the other data, which is J. So E is equal to J, F is equal to K because this is at the second place. F is second place for the first data and K is second place for second data, and G corresponds to L. Okay. If the measure of angle E is 45 degree, this is 45 degrees, and the measure of angle F is 20 degrees, what is the measure of angle J? Now, if you have written this data this way, angle J corresponds to angle A, so it's going to be 45 degree. We are direct. But if you start it another way, like draw first triangle and then second triangle and then draw the data on that, it may take a little bit of time. That is why it is always suggested that read the question carefully and write it whatever way is suitable for that particular question. So here that is the most suitable one. Now let me extend this question a little bit. We have already done this. B is the right option. What if angle L was asked? So because it is corresponding to angle G and two datas are already given, I will not draw this at all. I'll just find G by the angle sum property. So 45 degree plus 20 degree plus G is equal to 180 degree. Now 45 plus 20 is 65 plus G is equal to 180 degree. So angle G is just subtract 65 from here, which is 5, 1 and 1, 115 degrees, right? So L is also 115 degrees, correct? Perfect. Let's move to question number 10. The function f is defined by fx is equal to 1 by 2x plus 6. Okay. What is the value of f of 4? Very simple. We have to just plug in 4 wherever we see x. So that is equal to 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 4 plus 6. So 6 plus 4, 10 by 2, which is again 5. So D is the right option. Correct? Question number 11. Two graphs are given to us. This is an absolute value function graph. This kind of graph, either like this one or this one. So these graphs are always absolute value graphs. And one is a straight line. This one is a straight line. Let's see what the question is. The graph of a system of an absolute function, value function and a linear function is shown. Okay, we have already noticed this. What is the solution xy to this system of two equations? So we know that is the point of intersection, right? But here it is like exactly in between -3 and -4, this one, right? It is in between these two, and the y coordinate is the midpoint of 4 and 5. So that is simply the point of intersection thing. But here what is being checked? You know midpoint formula or not. So midpoint formula is like to find the x coordinates. It is x1 plus x2 over 2, and y coordinate is y1 plus y2 over 2. So it is between -3 and -4. So x is -4 plus -3, which will be -3 by 2, that is -7 by 2, and y is 5 plus 4 by 2, that means 9 by 2. Let's see the options. Yes, C is the right option. Correct?